that?
The Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower yan? Ha? Eiffel Tower pala yan? Oh. Dami palang Eiffel Tower dito sa Pilipinas, no? Yeah? Eiffel Tower pala yan? Now I know. Eiffel Tower with?
Arm.
With arms. Dami ng arms, no? Grabe yung ano na yan, no? Sa arms? Ang dami namang arms na yan. No?
Arm.
Daming arms ng Eiffel Tower natin, ah.
Yeah.
Diba? Ang dami ng Eiffel Tower sa Pilipinas, no?
Yeah.
6 arms? Dami yung arms din, no?
Yeah, that's
6 arms.
arms.
6 arms. Ang galing. Now I know, Eiffel Tower pala yan. Bakit sinabi mo sa akin?
Why there's an arm up there?
Diba? Up there? Para daw may balance.
Wait, wait.
Ay, we need to go now.
Why?
We need to go now. Oh, Eiffel Tower. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka ng Eiffel Tower.
Bye-bye.